Hello, welcome to the session of Tally Learning. In continuation of the batch management, now let us understand how to identify the expired batches in sales invoice. The scenario is identification of expired batches in Tally Prime. Now, let us take on the 2nd May 23. Here the dates I have changed it to not to 24. Let us maintain it as 23 and continue. Sold the following on credit to Supermart retailer stored in Karnataka. Surf Excel Matic front load batch 001 50 kgs 250 rupees totaling to 12,500. Now see, I am at the gateway of Tally. Choose vouchers and press enter. Change the voucher to sales. Press F2. Date is 2nd May 23. Party, we are selling it to Supermart retailer. Enter. Control A, Control A. You need to understand now the batch management is a special feature in Tally, not a regular feature. So that particular option is always not enabled, and you need to enable it when it is required, especially when you are dealing with the perishable goods. Now always we should be able to in the sales transaction, we should guide or we should direct the software that it should not list already expired batches. So we need to configure it. Press F12, go to the option use expired batches for stock items. Use expired batches for stock items. If it is no, means it will not display. Remember, in the sales voucher, press F12 and choose the option use expired batches for stock items. Mean to say, should you allow to use it in this use it or not use it? We are telling no, means in the sales invoice it should not display the batches which are already expired. But according to our transaction, we need to sell from the batch 001 which is already expired on 30th April. So let us see how our software works. Let us choose Surf Excel Matic front load. Enter. Location Karnataka. Enter. Observe here, which we are supposed to sell it from batch 001, but it is not getting listed. It is stopping us. So it is not at all showing the list from the batch 001. So it is clearly, it is protecting us from selling an expired product to the customer. But however, the product is available in different batches. We can make use of this different one. Choose it. Choose the batch number 3. Here batch number 1, we are supposed to sell it from the batch number 1, but it is not displaying because we have clearly instructed our software that don't allow us to sell it any expired batches in the configuration. Choose it. The quantity is 50. Enter. Rate is 250. Don't change anything. Enter, enter and accept it. Batch 3 has an expiry up in the month of October, so we can sell it, no problem. Choose new reference. Enter, enter, accept and finish the screen. Now let us check the batch summary. Press Alt and G, go to type batch summary, enter, choose Surf Excel Matic front load, enter. press Alt F5. Okay, press F12, change manufacturing date, yes, expiry date, yes, Control A. Now we can observe the batch 1 is already expired. We are trying to sell it on 2nd May. It is already expired, whereas batch 3 is still active. We can sell it up to the beginning of the 1st of October 23. So, in the meanwhile, we shall also complete a receipt transaction on 2nd May for 2,15,000 for super rate. Go back to receipt, click on receipt, press on the same date, so no need to change. Choose Kotak Bank, supermarket retailer. Against reference, there are two purchases, so we need to choose the both. Choose the first one, again choose against reference, choose the second one, enter, go to the instrument number 4000013, bank name is State Bank of India, India. Accept, finish. Now we have done the protecting of selling the expired batches. So let us watch then in the next video what to do for returning the expired batches. So generally what happens, when a batch gets expired, it will be returned back. So let us see it in the next video. Thank you.